Here's another look at that Amazon Tree Boa. This guy is really, really, really pretty. Beautiful green yellow eye, gray upper body with a little bit of patterning, and then an absolutely gorgeous orange underbelly. This guy is really cool looking. I used to have one of these guys as a pet, so this is really neat to see in the wild. We got 2 of these guys so far. Straight on, they look so funny. But yeah, oh, we'll strike there. It's a little wet, so I think he's kind of cold, but too cool. I'm gonna leave him alone. Check this guy out. Super duper cool head. One of the coolest heads we've got on a snake so far. And then a real cool red and black kind of banded pattern. He does not want to stop moving. Super duper cool snake. Looks very funny from the front. If he'll let me focus on him like that. Kind of hard to get a shot of this guy because he likes to move so much, but real cool snake. White belly. Too cool. Chilling on the hammock with this little skinny guy.
Tree sucker snail.
People be on Snapchat with the blonde-headed, like, anyone want to match? Look at him.
Yeah, I did.
Anyone want to match?
People be on Snapchat with the blonde-headed tree snake. And like, who trying to match?
Look how far he goes. Go for the wolf face.
This dude smell like guerrilla warfare right now.
Vietnam vet smelling like my grandpa.
The fuck?
My grandpa is 69.
I didn't see him. Oh my god.
I smell like my grandpa is 73.
Whoa. Funky looking.
You guys, I gotta see the Mario boot bus photo again. The Mario boot bus. You want me to take my light off? Are you filming me?
I'm filming you, bro.
Are you filming me?
I'm filming you, bro.
Quechua necklaces.
Freaking dope. I bought like 100 of them. That shit drippy, bro.
Oh, I'm getting a camera picture of that.
Yeah, I thought about the same thing.
Oh wow.
That is so cool.
Yeah.
Oh, Griffin's gonna love that one.
Wow.
That looks insane.
Yep.
What's it called, Ethan? Veiled stinkhorn.
Dude, they smell horrible.
Yep, that's why they call it stinkhorn.
Veiled?
Oh, there's stinkhorn.
Yeah.
I thought you were saying snakehorn. Oh, yeah.
Dude, that thing's crazy.
Dang, that's cool.
Do you guys smell it or no? I don't.
No.
So, I think they might be past their stinky.
Just got a blue cicada. Oh my god.
This thing is neon.
Look at his wings, too.
Do they go sit still or no?
No.
No.
Dude, he's so loud.
Looks cool.
I thought CJ hit me in the back of the head with something.
Let me get him from the front. Wow. Beautiful.
Yeah, he's in the
Yeah, literally almost just walked on top of that thing like 5 minutes ago. Yeah, I just walked over there.
Beautiful.
Cottonmouth.
There he goes. Cruising.
Wow.
Awesome to see him in the water.
I want to get a video
7
of him
more.
swimming.
7 more. 8 more? Yeah, 8 more.
8 more on the top.
He's cool.
Muy chévere.
He do be floating.
I thought they can swim.
That's the prettiest bird land so far.
Yeah, that's the prettiest one. I'll
Yeah.
say that too. That's light and light colored.
He's skinny though.
You alright?
He's pretty skinny. That's one of the most common snakes there.
It's kind of crazy that's the case, isn't it?
I feel like that's expected though.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I thought they're like the copperheads.
Are they generally smaller down here than you get in Central America?
It's a different
Yeah, like
species.
all the ones that
Either
in
Asia-
Central America have been giant.
Yeah,
Yeah, like
That's very long.
like 3
I
times
will.
the size of that.
Got some Amazon bamboo here. Looks normal. And then there's just barbed wire sticking off of it. Jeez.
Sticky toad?
That's literally coming straight from that plant. That's nuts.
Where's the?
Everything out here is spiky.
Same one.
It's the Tree Boa.
He's not as pretty as the last two, or not
He's
as green.
tiny.
I mean,
Alright.
2.
Spot Eric. Alright. Got a snake.
yeah, we're getting some double up.
We're getting some duplicates.
So that's the third one of those.
Number 3, yeah.
Damn, they're trying to beat the damn fertilizer. Oh yeah, he's vibing. Whoa!
Nice.
Put them on your face.
Nah.
He's not, this one's not as big as the other ones. Look at those mandibles though.
That thing is bizarre.
It looks like the things off of Men in Black.
Huge.
Oh yeah, it does.
This is an alien.
Seriously cool.
Hi buddy. I'll make you home. Wow, that guy's chill. The other one's a stick.
The other one screamed at you. I
Whoa.
think this might be another thing of cordyceps.
It definitely. It's
Parasitic
gotta
fungus. Kind of tough to see, but it's got some stuff sticking out of them. Early stages.
Just one microorganism.
Little tiny guy.
be. Oh, sorry, John.
There we go.
Good spot.
Oh, I was looking on the wrong tree.
Yeah, me too. I was looking down here.
That's a chunky one.
Good size one.
Get him down, Mario.
You think I should?
Just look
Can
at
you
him.
hook him down? Let's get a picture. Get a picture.
Just scope him out.
You can get a picture from wherever you want.
Hook the leaf down, the tree down, and grab him.
That's a good idea.
Yeah, I don't think he's gonna take off.
Yeah, no.
Put those ants down onto your head.
Oh, let's go.
Nice.
Okay, 3.
That's our
3 blunt heads. Yep.
It's also our third snake tonight.
Hell yeah.
Third one head.
Okay,
Super cool.
guys.
Right there, Mario.
Got it. About to get hot here in a second.
More duplicates don't count.
Man, that musk does not smell good.
I usually don't. Jesus Christ, yeah, that's a bad one. That musk is something.
You bag bugs?
Oh, I got one in here. Way up there.
Nice spot, man.
Good
Oh
job,
wow, he's
Benito.
dangling.
Dude, that's cool.
Nice, I see it.
The fuck is he doing up there? He looks
Straight
like the
up.
same color as the last one.
But huge.
Is it the same color one?
I can't tell. He's not definitely not yellow.
Yeah, he's got a red, orange belly with the gray dorsal.
I don't see where you're at.
Good job, Benito.
Nice spot.
Here, I'll point out.
Oh, yeah.
That's cool.
Head sticking way out?
Yep.
Alright.
Nice. Holy crap. Double snake, double snail
They
sucker.
must be breeding.
Yeah, yeah.
Two
There's some beauties.
snail eaters. Right next
Alright,
to
we
each
need
Wow.
2 more snakes, guys.
No, we need
Whoa.
3 more.
Don't touch them if they're breeding.
They're not in
They're not.
They probably were though.
separate. We need 3 more.
Three more left.
Photo of the Tree Boa.
Wow.
Tree Boa.
Oh, I got another one over here.
Really?
something on my back, biting my back. TJ?
No way.
Nothing's on your back.
Dude, what the fuck is
Here, look, put them all on together.
What?
Two more snakes.
Dude, what? What is this?
The snake land.
Wow.
Snail
he's stuck in a spider web.
orgy going on over here.
Dude. What the heck?
Where was that guy on the tree?
Yeah, it's on the So we found
Nice.
this guy over there,
Alright, there's gotta be another
and
one.
these two were sitting.
I'm like, what the heck?
So
Right here.
cool.
This is fun.
That's awesome.
Look at this and confirm what I'm seeing in the tree. I think I see a red eye sign. Alright, I'll come and confirm that.
This guy is super cool. Kate's BI. Really neat looking snake. Very interesting blotches. I've never really seen that on a snake before. Super pretty. Pretty small little snakes, but these guys are pretty good sized. These guys pretty much prey exclusively on snails. Dude, what?
One more.
Alright, what the fuck's going on right now?
Wow. So many.
One more snake.
And then we're at 9. Little baby blindhead.
It's a baby blendhead.
Nice.
I'm gonna grab pictures
Fucking
before so nobody touch him, please.
Dude, nice. This is insane.
We did it, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
9. That's 9.
Wow.
So we've outdone ourselves by 1. Or no.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
One of the nights we
night.
doubled, we got 2.
Not exactly one each time.
Yeah,
but
Benito took us to a secret spot.
Oh, behind.
Look at this. Check this thing out. This guy builds this really weird square structured web and then kind of launches it towards whatever he's trying to catch and uses it almost like a net. Very interesting. Super weird looking spider, wicked long body, really weird web. It's literally natural geometry. Very strange.
We got one of those, right?
Yeah, we did get one of these.
Can I grab them after y'all are
I
done?
want to
This is
get
an
a
Olis
camera
Cypheus. Alright, let's
I want to
see.
get a dewlappy.
They have a... Yeah, they're beautiful.
Sweet. So you guys think this one's A tier or S tier?
I'd say that's
A tier and all.
As far as Ecuador goes, it's like a D tier null, but
As far as the lizards we've had on this trip, that's like the best one we've seen.
Yeah.
I agree with that. Yeah, this has been a horrible lizard trip.
I agree with that.
But, I'm losing my class.
You going back to sleep?
Amazon Dragon.
Real cool looking dewlap on this guy. Blue and red. That's real cool. This is literally the biggest katydid I've ever seen. What? Holy shit. Do not want to get spined by that thing. Jesus. Oh my god. Giant katydid here with a cordyceps sticking out the side of him. Does not look too hot.
Bonehead.
Leaf bug.
Give me that Jane.
Would be a leaf, eh? Pretty.
Yeah.
Oh my god. What? Zoom top down real quick. Holy shit, yeah, that's cool. Damn. Alright, so it's our last day at this lodge. All my stuff is soaking wet, essentially. The stuff I thought was gonna be dry is not dry. Hair is pretty grody, but it's okay. We are going to one last lodge and then headed back to the States, although I have to sit in the airport for 24 hours. So I've never done this before. Probably gonna suck. I don't really know what I'm gonna do. Probably just try to pass the time, maybe sleep, read, edit these videos that you're watching. And yeah, just cleared our rooms out. Really sucks to have to leave here. We swam in here a few days ago. Twice. Jumped off this rope swing into this river. Absolutely an incredible time out here. This is by far the best trip of my entire life. Had an absolutely amazing time. Kind of crazy that things like this can happen, honestly. Like, I don't really want to sound like cliche or dramatic, but it's just nuts that I can just go to the Amazon with people from Virginia and North Carolina, and the only reason why that is because of like social media, herping, and a passion to just get the fuck outside. So yeah, thank you for watching. I had an absolutely incredible time out here, and I hope you guys enjoyed the videos. This was an absolutely mind-boggling experience, and yeah, like, comment, subscribe. Thank you so much.
Conda guy.
Dr. Conda.
Dr. Conda.
Probably good. Now that we know what to look for.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. That'd be crazy just to say we saw feet.
Forgot it.
Let's go. Nice. Wow.
Oh, beautiful.
Dude,
Oh,
good
that's fucking
shit.
nice.
Wow.
Nice one. Gonna get pictures in the water. Got had to get one more on the way out.
Hell yeah.
That thing's beautiful.
Dude, it is pretty.
Yeah, nice spot.
Dude, cool.
He's mean as shit, dude.
I want to hold him.
Wow. Dude, that belly.
Dude, he is pissed.
Oh, he's very.
What species is that, Eric?
Chironis?
Tail rattle. Dang, dude.
Oh,
Good
wow.
spot.
It looks like an
the
adult of
mud.
that one we had the other day.
This thing is beautiful.
Yeah, this is.
He's angry.
Anybody want to grab him? I need to get out of the water.
Sure. Sure, I'll go.
Don't let go of him. He'll get away, dude.
Okay.
Oh wow.
Dude.
I thought it was a little baby anaconda at first. That's cool.
Wow.
Oh,
That is sweet.
gorgeous.
Yeah,
This is definitely a Chironius.
Whoa. Dude, look at that scalation on his belly.
Perfect angle for me to get a shot. I might as well. Pretty decent size as well.
Look how big his scales are.
Wow. Look at that tongue. Wow. Check this guy out. Super cool beetle. Never seen one that looks like this before. Dude's like emerald green with like beautiful gold, red, and blue on him. Its underside is equally as pretty. Super neat. Dude's pretty big too. Got some dragonflies chilling here. Kind of weird. Never seen two species just hanging like this. Pretty cool. Got a monkey frog. My goodness.
Oh yeah.
Wow, dude.
Which monkey frog? He doesn't have